Hello, my dear children. Welcome to today's English class. Yesterday, we learned a poem named My Puppy Plays Piano. Before starting today's class, let's summarize what we learned yesterday. Children, we know in this poem, the poet is describing about his puppy. Not an ordinary puppy. Extraordinary puppy, extra talented. Why he is known as an extraordinary puppy? Yes, puppy plays piano. He learned it from his master. How did he learn? Yes, he learned by watching him while he was practicing. After that, he started out on chopsticks and he again learned to play some Bach, the blues and classic rock. Then what did he do now? Yes, he taught Poet's kitten how to play duets. Then they taught guitar and drums to all his other pets. Okay, let's move on to next stanza. They formed a band and practiced hard and traveled all around and instantly got famous for their catchy pet rock sound. Children, after learned the guitar and drums, puppy, kitten and other pets, they formed a band and practiced hard. What is this, children? Is it possible? Yes, why not? If you work hard, everything will be possible. That same way, they worked very hard and traveled all around. And then they got famous for their catchy pet rock sound. Children, here catchy means especially of a tune or song, pleasing and easy to remember. That is pet rock. Here the pet rock is very famous. Now the pet rock is very famous. Okay, now let's move on to our last stanza. They made a smash hit record and it wasn't very long before my pets were millionaires because they wrote this song. Students, here we can see after learning the guitar and drums, they formed a band and practiced hard. Then they became famous. Yes, practice makes the man perfect. Children, here we can see the unique quality and hard work of pets. Okay, children, this is the time to say goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.